Shri Gurubhyo Namaha, Shri Matre Namaha. Welcome to Vedajanani, Narayaniyam, Dashakam 12, Varaha Avataram. Dashakam 12 will be chanted in Vrittam Vasanta Tilakam. Shloka 1. At the request of Brahma, Swayambhuva Manu was engaged in the creation activity. He then saw the earth being submerged in the water. He, along with other sages, rushed to Satyaloka to Brahma, who was in great joy and peace by worshipping at your feet, Krishna. Swayambhuvo manuratho janasargashilo दृष्ट्वा महिम असमये सलिले निमग्नम् स्रष्टारमाप शरणं भवदङ्घ्रिसेवा तुष्टाशयं मुनिजनैः सह सत्यलोके स्वायम्भुवो मनुरथो जनसर्गशीलो दृष्ट्वा महिम असमये सलिले निमग्नम् स्रष्टारमाप शरणं भवदङ्घ्रिसेवा दुष्टाशयं मुनिजनैः सह सत्यलोके. Shloka 2. Manu said, "It is a pity that the earth is being immersed in the water and there is no place for the beings to live." Hey Brahmadeva, who emerged from lotus, please create a place to reside for them. Brahma then meditated upon your feet, Guruvayurappa. Kashtam praja shrujati mayyavanirnimagna sthanam saroja bhava kalpayatat prajanam. इत्येवमेष कथितो मनुना स्वयंभुः अम्बोरुहाक्ष तव पादयुगं व्यचिन्तीत. कष्टं प्रजा सृजति मय्यवनिर्निमग्ना स्थानं सरोज भव कल्पयतत् प्रजानाम्. इत्येवमेष कथितो मनुना स्वयंभुः अम्भोरुहाक्ष तव पादयुगं व्यचिन्तीत. Shloka 3. Brahma said, "Hey Vishnumurti, earlier I had drunk the waters of Mahapralaya once. But what shall I do now as the earth is sinking under water?" And he fell down at your feet. Hey Vishnu Prabhu, you emerged as an infant boar from Brahma's nostril. Ha ha vibho jalamaham nyapibham purastat adhyapi majjati mahi kimaham karomi. इत्थं त्वदङ्घ्रियुगलं शरणं यतोऽस्य नासापुटात् समभवशिशुकोलरूपी. हा हा विभो जलमहं न्यभिबं पुरस्तात् अद्यापि मज्जति मही किमहं करोमि. इत्थं त्वदङ्घ्रियुगलं शरणं यतोऽस्य नासापुटात् समभवशिशुकोलरूपी. सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्द गोविन्द. Shloka 4. Commencing at the size of the thumb, you soon grew into the size of an elephant and continued to grow into the sky through the clouds. Seeing this, Brahma and his sons were amazed. Angushtamatra vapurutpatitah purastat bhuyopi kumbhi sadrushas samajrumbhatastvam अभ्रे तथाविदम् उदीक्ष्य भवन्तमुच्चैः विस्मेरतां वितिरगात् सह सूनुभिः स्वैः अङ्गुष्टमात्र वपुरुत्पतितः पुरस्तात् भूयोऽपि कुम्भिसदृशः समजृम्भतास्त्वम् अभ्रे तथाविदम् उदीक्ष्य भवन्तमुच्चैः विस्मेरतां विधिरगात् सह सूनुभिः स्वैः. Shloka 5. What could this be? Who is this? Who is emerging from the nose as a boar? Is this another form of Mahavishnu's magical power? When Brahma was thinking like this, you grew to the dimensions of a mountain and roared with explosive sounds repeatedly. कोसावचिन्त्य महिमा किटिरुत्थितो मे नासापुटात् किमु भवेत् अजितस्य माया इत्थं विचिन्त्यति धातरि शैलमात्रः सद्यो भवन् किल जगर्जितघोरघोरम् कोसावचिन्त्य महिमा किटिरुत्थितो मे नासापुटात् किमु भवेत् अजितस्य माया इत्थं विचिन्तयति धातरि शैलमात्रः सद्यो भवन् किल जगर्जितघोरघोरम्. Shloka 6. Hey Krishna, the sages in the Janaloka, Tapaloka and Satyaloka heard your tremendous roaring and sang in praise of you. You were pleased with the adoration and with your huge figure you entered the ocean, Krishna. Tam te ninadamupakarnya janastapasthaha satyasthitascha munayornunubhurбhavantam tatstotra harshulamana parinadhya bhuyaha तोयाशयं विपुलमूर्तिरवातरस्त्वम् तं ते निनादमुपकर्ण्य जनस्तपस्ताः सत्यस्थिताश्च मुनयोर्नुनुवुर्भवन्तम् तत्स्तोत्रहर्षुलमना परिणध्य भूयः तोयाशयं विपुलमूर्तिरवातरस्त्वम्. Shloka 7. Krishna, your black and raised hair stood erect. Your tail was raised up, your powerful nose pointed downwards, and your form dispersed the clouds. Your eyes were revolving, looking here and there, pleasing those sages who were praising you. Hey Krishna, you jumped into the water. Urdhva prasari paridhumra vidhutaroma prokshiptavaladhi avangmukha gora ghonaha turna pradirna jaladah परिघूर्ण दक्षा स्तोत्रून् मुनीन् शिशिरयन् अवतेरितत्वम् ऊर्ध्व प्रसारि परिधूम्र विधूतरोमा प्रोक्षिप्तवालधि अवाङ्मुख घोरघोणः तूर्ण प्रदीर्ण जलदः परिघूर्ण दक्षिणा स्तोत्रून् मुनीन् शिशिरयन् अवतेरितत्वम्. Shloka 8. The crocodiles in the water were terrified. The whales were running around in fear, and the waves very much agitated and became muddy. You dived deep into the waters with a mighty roar, Krishna, by which the living beings in the water were completely shaken up. And thus you searched for the earth or Bhuma Devi Narayana. Antarjalam tadanu sankula nakra chakram भ्राम्यत्तिमिङ्गिल कुलं कलुषोर्मिमालम् आविश्य भीषण रवेण रसातलस्थान् आकम्पयन् वसुमतिम् अगवेशयस्त्वम् अन्तर्जलं तदनु सङ्कुल नक्र चक्रम् भ्राम्यत्तिमिङ्गिलकुलं कलुषोर्मिमालम् आविश्य भीषण रवेण रसातलस्थान् आकम्पयन् वसुमतिम् अगवेशयस्त्वम्. Shloka 9. Hey Madhava, with your disguised form as boar, you found the earth which was taken away to the Rasatalam by the cruel Hiranyaksha. You did not care the Ashura, but you lifted the earth up with your tusks as if it was a mere play for you, Krishna. दृष्ट्वाथ दैत्यहतकेन रसातलान्ते संवेशितां झटिति कूटकिटिर्विभोत्वम् आपातुकान् अविगणय्य सुरारिखेटान् दंष्ट्राङ्गुरेण वसुधाम् अधताः सलीलम् दृष्ट्वाथ दैत्यहतकेन रसातलान्ते संवेशितां झटिति कूटकिटिर्विभोत्वम् आपातुकान् अविगणय्य सुरारिखेटान् दंष्ट्राङ्कुरेण वसुधाम् अदधाः सलीलम्. Shloka 10. Hey Krishna, Guruvayurappa, with your form as boar, you lifted the earth as if you were holding a grass. You then came out of the horrifying big ocean with Bhuma Devi, the earth. Please protect me also from ailment, Krishna. Abhyuddharanna dadharam dashanagralagna mustankurankita ivadhikapiva ratma उद्धूत घोर सलिला जलधेरुदंचन क्रीडा वराह वपुरीश्वर पाहि रोगात् अभ्युद्धरन्न थदरा दशनाग्रलग्न मुस्तांकुरांकित इवाधिकपीवरात्मा उद्धूत घोर सलिला जलधेरुदंचन क्रीडा वराह वपुरीश्वर पाहि रोगात्. सर्वत्र गोविंद नाम संकीर्तनम गोविंद गोविंद. I request you to subscribe to Veda Janani and hit a like and share with your family and friends.